up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student that's going to be taking her driving test in about an hour. It is early in the morning. It's actually 6:51, so forgive the lights. It's kind of poor lighting, but it is what it is. Okay, before I get into the video though, I have to say this. I went to Pompano yesterday with the student, and the examiners actually got into the car with my student. The location that I'm at now, they're not getting in the car. They're still calling you on the phone. Last time I went to Margate, they called you on the phone. So Pompano, I guess, like I said on the last video, they give them the option to get in the car or not. Alright, so at the location that I'm at now, the examiners are calling you from outside, and you have to have someone in the car with you that is 21 or older. Alright, so let's get into this video real quick. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left away from the curb. Put the car in park, pull up your parking brake,
and turn off the ignition.
Turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Right? So they're making sure that the lights are working. Brake lights, turn signal lights, horns. By the way, they won't let you test in a car if those things don't work. So make sure before you come to the DMV to do your driving test, make sure those things are actually working. Alright, so now they're gonna ask you to reverse from here and go to the left. So reverse straight back. Look behind you as you reverse. Look both ways because you could have cars coming from around the corner there. Roll straight back until your mirror gets to the end of the line. And then you're going to turn all the way right because you're going left. Look behind you the whole time. Back up enough where you can clear the cars that's going to be parked here, right? And then we're going to pull up. They're going to say reverse and pull straight up, right? So you're going to pull up about here and stop. And then they're gonna ask you to reverse in a straight line. So look behind you and reverse straight back. And stop. So they will tell you when to stop, okay? Now put the car in drive. They're gonna tell you the next thing is for you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So speed up and stop. Okay. Stop. Don't move until they tell you, right? So once you stop, they're gonna tell you the next thing that I want you to do is go around the corner, and we're gonna park into the parking space. But again, don't do anything unless you are told. Alright, so we're gonna go around this corner here, and we're going to go into the parking space. So stay close to your right side because it's easier to park if you're close to the right. So pull up close to the right side. And then we're going to park. So signal left, turn all the way, line up your mirror, go up until the mirror's lined up like that. Turn all the way left and go into the space. That's me. Okay, and see, you came up a little bit too much there. You see how close you are to that? You made it because you were close to the right, right? Okay. Alright, stop here. Now we're going to wait for them to move out the way. And we're going to reverse to go up there and do the 3-point turn. Yeah, slow. Alright, so look behind you and reverse straight back. So you're backing out until you pass the cone. Then you're turning all the way right to go left and do your 3-point turn. Reverse straight back. And again, just like you're doing, make sure you're looking back when you're reversing. And when you pass the mirror, when the mirror is past the curb, you're turning all the way to the right. Keep going back until your mirror is past the middle, like that. Okay, that's good. Put the car back in drive. We're gonna pull up next to the line because now we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So close to the right side. Close to the right side like that. Signal left, stop. 3-point turn all the way left. And you're gonna go and you're going to stop before you hit the curb. Alright. All the way to the right. All the way. Put in reverse all the way right. Yes. And look behind you as a reverse. And again, you're going to stop before your mirror. When your mirror is past the middle, like that. Alright. Alright, put the car back in drive. Signal left. Always signal. If you don't signal, you're losing 4 points for each one. Every time that they tell you to turn, you signal. Otherwise, it's 4 negative points. Even though you're allowed to get up to 30 points, you want to try to get 0 points. That's the whole objective. Alright, go ahead, make your left turn. Go into your right lane here, because they're going to tell you to make a left and then make an immediate left. Alright, go ahead and make a left turn again. And make sure you're in the right side, on your right lane as you turn. And straighten up here, pull up. So the examiner again is going to be over in this area talking to you on the phone. So they'll stop you about here and they'll walk up to you and hand you your paper that says you got what? How much you got? How much you get?
0 points.
0 points, which means you get 100%. Alright? So yeah, that will be the end of the driving test. Alright? We're gonna go around to the front and you jump on the line with your pops. So yeah, she did fine. She's gonna pass. And I like I said, I expect her to get 100%. I know you guys are tired of hearing me say 100% because most of my students actually do get 100%. So I expect her to get 100% or close to it. Right, Mom?
100%.
100%. Sweet. That's what we're shooting for. 100%. Make a right turn. Alright, so again, I want you guys to like the videos. Share the channel if you know anyone that is looking to learn to drive or need to learn anything. Just tell them to go to the channel. I have lots and lots of videos that covers practically any and everything that you would need as it relates to driving. So if you haven't subscribed already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please jump on and do that.
Which one you want? Make
a left. And I will see you on the next video. I'll actually let you know what she gets when she finishes the test. Alright? Alright. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.